After the age of 50, many people begin to notice that their sleep patterns change in unexpected ways. Nights that once felt long and restful can become lighter, with sleep often feeling more fragmented and less satisfying. The deep, uninterrupted rest we enjoyed in our younger years often gives way to frequent awakenings, tossing and turning, and waking up earlier than we'd like, sometimes even before the sun rises. It's important to remember that this isn't a personal failing or something you're doing wrong. Instead, it's a natural shift in our body's sleep architecture that comes with age, affecting nearly everyone to some degree. As we get older, our circadian rhythm, the internal clock that tells us when to sleep and wake, begins to change. We may start to feel sleepy earlier in the evening, and our bodies spend less time in the deep, restorative stages of sleep. Even if you spend a full night in bed, you might wake up feeling less refreshed than you did in your 30s or 40s. This can be frustrating, but it's a common experience. Many people also become more sensitive to noise and light as they age, making it easier for small disturbances to interrupt sleep and leaving rest feeling more fragile than before. But you're not alone in this. These changes are a normal part of aging, and millions of people experience them every night. Sharing your experiences with others can help you feel supported and understood. The good news is that there are proven strategies to improve sleep quality, even as we get older. Simple changes like creating a calming bedtime routine, limiting screen time, or practicing relaxation techniques can make a big difference. With the right habits and a little patience, you can reclaim restful nights, wake up feeling more energized, and support your overall health and well-being as you age. Hormonal changes are a major reason sleep gets disrupted after 50. For women, menopause brings hot flashes and night sweats. For men, lower testosterone can cause issues like sleep apnea. Frequent nighttime urination, chronic pain, and medical conditions like restless leg syndrome also interfere with sleep. Stress, blue light from screens, and side effects from common medications further complicate things. It's a complex mix, but understanding these factors is the first step to better rest. Poor sleep doesn't just make you tired, it can have a ripple effect on nearly every part of your day. When you don't get enough rest, your mood often suffers first. You might wake up feeling groggy, irritable, or even a bit down, making it harder to greet the day with energy or optimism. You may notice you're more easily frustrated, anxious, or forgetful, and even simple daily tasks can seem overwhelming. Concentration slips, and you might find yourself making mistakes or losing track of what you're doing. Over time, sleep loss weakens your immune system, making you more likely to catch colds or other illnesses. It also raises the risk of serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and weight gain, especially if poor sleep becomes a habit. When you're tired, you may crave sugary or salty snacks for quick energy, and it's harder to find the motivation to exercise or even get outside. Socializing can feel like a chore, and you might start to withdraw from friends and family. Over time, this creates a cycle of fatigue and isolation, where feeling tired leads to less activity and more loneliness, which in turn makes sleep even harder to come by. Recognizing these effects is the first step toward making sleep a real priority in your life. Understanding how deeply sleep impacts your mind, body, and relationships can motivate you to make positive changes. Improving sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's about protecting your overall well-being, boosting your mood, and giving yourself the energy to enjoy each day to the fullest. When you sleep better, you wake up ready to embrace life. Better nights truly do lead to brighter, healthier days. You can improve your sleep with a few simple, natural changes. Quality rest isn't just about how long you sleep, but also about the habits you build throughout your day and night. Even small adjustments to your routine can make a big difference in how refreshed you feel each morning. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule even on weekends to reset your body clock. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps your body know when it's time to wind down and when it's time to wake up. Over time, this regularity can make falling asleep and waking up feel more natural and less of a struggle. Get regular daytime activity, but avoid intense exercise close to bedtime. Gentle movement like walking, stretching, or yoga during the day can help you feel more tired at night. However, vigorous workouts late in the evening may leave you feeling too energized to fall asleep easily. Limit caffeine, heavy meals, and alcohol in the evening. Caffeine can linger in your system for hours, making it harder to drift off. Eating large or spicy meals late at night can cause discomfort, While alcohol may disrupt your sleep cycles, even if it helps you fall asleep at first. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Turn off screens, dim the lights, and try calming activities like reading or gentle stretching. Avoiding bright lights and electronic devices helps your brain produce melatonin, the hormone that signals it's time to sleep. Consider listening to soft music, meditating, or taking a warm bath to help your body unwind. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. A comfortable sleep environment signals your body that it's time to rest and can help you stay asleep through the night, even if there's noise outside. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. The right bedding can support your body, reduce aches and pains, and make your bed a place you look forward to at the end of each day. Reserve your bed for sleep and intimacy only. Avoid working, watching TV, or scrolling on your phone in bed, so your mind associates your bed with relaxation and rest. Small changes add up, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. Over time, these habits can help you feel more energized, focused, and ready to take on the day. With consistency, these habits can transform your nights. Try tracking your sleep patterns and routines to see what works best for you, and don't be discouraged if it takes a little time to notice improvements. Restful sleep is within reach. By making these simple, natural changes, you can enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep and wake up feeling your best. Improving sleep after 50 is a journey, not a quick fix. Start with 1 or 2 new habits and build from there. Each step is an investment in your health, energy, and happiness. If sleep problems persist, talk to your doctor. There may be an underlying issue that needs attention. Seeking help is a sign of strength and self-care. With patience and the right support, you can enjoy restorative sleep and vibrant days ahead. A brighter, healthier future truly does await. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.